On a single night in 1977, Earth received a message from the cosmos. A signal so powerful, so strange, that scientists are still trying to explain it decades later. This is the story of the WOW, signal humanity's closest encounter with the unknown. August 15th, 1977, 2:16 in the morning. The Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University was scanning the skies as it did every night, searching for signals from distant civilizations. But on this night, something extraordinary happened. A powerful radio signal, 30 times stronger than the background noise of space, burst through the cosmic static. 72 seconds of pure, undeniable contact from the void. The signal came from a specific region near the star Chi Sagittarii in the constellation Sagittarius. It was narrow bandwidth, meaning it carried a concentrated, focused frequency. This wasn't the scattered, chaotic noise of a natural phenomenon like a quasar or a pulsar. It had the unmistakable fingerprint of something artificial, something intentional. As the telescope swept across the sky, the signal started weak, grew intensely strong, and then faded away, exactly what scientists would expect from a targeted transmission originating from a fixed point in space. 3 days later, a volunteer astronomer named Jerry Emin was reviewing the telescope's massive data printouts. As he scanned the columns of numbers and letters, his eyes caught something that made him stop. A sequence of characters, 6EQUJ5. It represented a signal of astonishing intensity, far beyond anything they had ever recorded. In red ink, he circled the anomaly and wrote just one word in the margin: "Wow!" That single exclamation would echo through the halls of science for the next half-century, forever naming one of astronomy's greatest enigmas. Scientists launched investigations immediately. The signal came from space, that much was clear. Its characteristics perfectly matched what we'd expect from an alien transmission. But there was one crushing problem. It never came back. Teams at Big Ear searched that same region of sky again and again. In the 1980s and 90s, the Meta Array and even the powerful Very Large Array trained their sights on the coordinates. Decades passed. Nothing. The signal had vanished as mysteriously as it arrived. It was a cosmic phone call, where the line went dead after just one ring. So what was it? Theories multiplied. Some scientists suggested it was a passing comet, its hydrogen cloud reflecting a stray radio wave from our own planet's transmitters. Others believed it was just human-made interference, a satellite or terrestrial signal bouncing off space debris. But none of these explanations fully fit the signal's unique properties. And so, the most tantalizing theory remains. Some of the world's leading astronomers still refuse to rule out the possibility that on that August night, we briefly eavesdropped on a message from an advanced civilization. Then, in 2024, a new explanation emerged. Astronomers proposed that the WOW signal could have been created by a magnetar, one of the most extreme and violent objects in the universe. They theorized that a magnetar unleashed a colossal flare of energy that struck an interstellar cloud of hydrogen billions of miles away. This cataclysmic impact could have caused the cloud to glow brightly in radio frequencies for a brief moment. A cosmic accident, a fluke of nature that we just happened to witness. But even this fascinating explanation feels incomplete. The probability of everything aligning so perfectly, the telescope pointing at exactly the right spot in the sky, at exactly the right moment to catch a magnetar flare, hitting exactly the right cloud to produce a signal at exactly the right frequency, seems almost impossibly lucky. The sheer coincidence required is staggering. And so, many scientists believe we simply haven't discovered the real answer yet. The mystery deepens. For nearly 50 years, the WOW signal has remained one of science's greatest unsolved mysteries. Did we receive a call from across the stars? Or did we witness a natural phenomenon so rare we may never see it again? The truth is, we don't know. And that uncertainty, That haunting possibility is what keeps astronomers searching the skies to this day. Somewhere out there, among the countless stars, the answer waits. We just have to keep listening. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, be sure to subscribe for more stories from the great unknown.